Hi, boys and girls. I hope you liked that silly story, Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. It's one of my favorites, and I know it's a silly story. And now we're going to do some adding with monkeys jumping on the bed. We are going to count to see how many monkeys are jumping on the bed, how many monkeys are on the floor, and how many monkeys we have in the room all together. Right now, we have a group of 5 monkeys sitting on the bed. We have 0 monkeys that have fallen on the floor. So how many monkeys do we have all together in the room if we count the monkeys sitting on the bed and the monkeys on the floor? Let's count the monkeys on the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys that are sitting on the bed and 0 that have fallen on the floor, because right now they haven't jumped off the bed, have they? They're just sitting on the bed. They are not on the floor. So a group of 5 monkeys on the bed and 0 on the floor is 5 altogether. So 5 and 0 is 5. But do you know what those silly monkeys like to do? They like to jump up and down on that bed. So say it with me. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. And watch this. The silly monkey jumped up and down and boop, he fell down and bumped his head. And look, he is on the floor. So now we have 4 monkeys that are jumping on the bed, 1 monkey that has fallen off and bumped his head, and he is on the floor. So how many is 4 monkeys on the bed and 1 on the floor all together in the room? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 monkeys on the bed and 1 on the floor is 5 monkeys all together. Let's count again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you know what happens with those silly monkeys, right? You're right. They like to jump up and down on that bed. How many monkeys are jumping up and down right now? You got it. 4. Say it with me. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Now, how many monkeys do we have on the bed? Good job. We have 3 monkeys on the bed. How many monkeys do we have on the floor? You're right. We have 2 monkeys on the floor. I wonder how many monkeys that is in the room all together if we count the monkeys on the bed and we add them to the monkeys on the floor. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 monkeys on the bed plus 2 monkeys on the floor is 5 monkeys all together. Or 3 plus 2 is 5. But you know what those silly monkeys like to do, don't you? You got it. They like to jump up and down on that bed. Say it with me. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Down on the floor. How many monkeys do we have on the bed? Oh, good job. We have 2 monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are on the floor? 3 monkeys are on the floor. But I want to know, how many is 2 monkeys on the bed plus 3 monkeys on the floor all together to count the monkeys in the room? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 monkeys in the room all together because 2 monkeys plus 3 monkeys equals 5 monkeys altogether. But you know what happens with those monkeys, don't you? Those silly monkeys, what do they like to do? You got it. They like to jump on that bed. How many monkeys are jumping on the bed? You're right, 2. Say it with me. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. She fell off. How many monkeys are still jumping on the bed? Yep, one little monkey jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are on the floor? Oh, we have a lot of monkeys on the floor. We have more monkeys on the floor than on the bed. Let's count the monkeys on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder, how many is one monkey on the bed plus 4 monkeys on the floor all together to tell me how many monkeys are in the room? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 monkey plus 4 monkeys equals 5 monkeys. We have 5 monkeys all together in the room. If I count the monkey on the bed plus the monkeys on the floor, I have 5 monkeys in the room all together. But you know what happens, don't you? You've got it. Those silly monkeys like to jump on the bed. How many monkeys are on the bed right now? 1. Say it with me. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Whoop! How many monkeys do we have left on the bed? 0. Right, we have none. 0. 0 monkeys on the bed. How many monkeys are on the floor? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monkeys on the floor. So 0 monkeys plus 5 monkeys is 5 monkeys altogether. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 monkeys on the bed plus 5 monkeys on the floor equals 5 monkeys all together. Let's count again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, boys and girls, you did a nice job with adding the monkeys today. We added how many monkeys were on the bed to how many monkeys were on the floor, and we found out how many monkeys were in the room all together. We never had more than 5 monkeys in the room altogether. We never had less than 5 monkeys in the room altogether. Because you know what? Those same 5 monkeys always stayed in the room. We didn't add any more monkeys into the room. We didn't take any monkeys away from the room. We always had 5 monkeys because we were looking for the ways to make 5. And we always had 5 monkeys. If we had 1 monkey on the bed and 4 on the floor, we still had, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys. 1 on the bed and 4 on the floor were 5 monkeys. If we had 2 monkeys on the bed and 3 on the floor, we still had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys in the room. If we had 3 monkeys on the bed and 2 on the floor, we still had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys in the room. Count them with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys. If we had 4 monkeys on the bed and 1 on the floor, we still had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys in the room. If we had 5 monkeys on the bed, there's our group of 5, and 0 on the floor, we still had 5 monkeys in the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 and 0 is 5. And again, if I take my one monkey off, 4 and 1 is 5. 3 and 2 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5. 1 and 4 is 5. 0 and 5 is 5. I always had 5 monkeys in the room. Nice job today, making 5 with our monkeys. The monkeys were either on the bed or on the floor to make a group of 5 today.